it's Jordan from jordanseasyentertaining.com and welcome to my Celebrate at Home series. Today I'm going to show you how to make a super easy no-sew face mask using a cloth dinner napkin. Okay, to make our no-sew mask, we're going to need a cotton dinner napkin, elastic hair ties, and 2 coffee filters. So the first thing you're going to do is take your napkin and you're going to fold it in half like this. And then take your 2 coffee filters, and they're just stacked right on one on top of the other, and fold that in half too. You're going to place that right in the middle of where you just folded your napkin. Then you're going to take your napkin and fold it halfway up from the bottom and then halfway up from the top. Then you're going to take your hair ties and put them on the ends like this. So now you want your hair ties to be about 6 inches apart. You're going to fold the napkin into itself like this. You see there are loops right here, and now it's ready to wear. Go ahead and put on your face mask. All you have to do is loop the hair ties right around your ears and adjust it so that it's comfortable over your face and nice and snug. See, as you can see, it fits nice and snug right around my ears. So a couple of things. The CDC recommends that you use a fabric that is really tightly woven but that you can still definitely breathe through. They also recommend that a face mask not be used by anyone under the age of 2 or who has difficulty breathing. And things to remember when you're taking off your mask, make sure not to touch your eyes, nose, or mouth, or any other part of your face. And then make sure that you are using a material that can be washed. So once you take it off, throw it in the washing machine, throw away that coffee filter, and put a new one in for next time. Anyway, I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like. And make sure to come back for the rest of the series where we're going to be doing a whole lot more fun things to celebrate at home. I hope you're staying safe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!